Today I wanted to show you guys how to change lamps as running Android 7, Android 8 or Android 9. So let's found first ringtones, first set or changes. Let's found first go to application down, press swipes on Android 7, go to change first. I did like first one. Select a new ringtone has selective new, send for selective ringtone. My ringtone for cents. How to change first ringtone into I like first one. And change first to first ringtone lollipop. All sound like this is the notification sound. I select non-ping. Pipes. Oh, pixel dust. I don't send ringtone for pipes. Or select Milet. Select for first ringtones. Beginning. Like for sound first. And first ringtone, I like coconuts. And send it. And next first alarm tones, you can use this new alarm tone. I like first. This is the early twin light or ringtone beginning. For changes, go to alarm tones. For send, you can use this early twilight and eye curse. So I like first ringtones. Select new Android P or Android 9 ringtones on Android 7. Thank you for watching.